Greater Sudbury's extremely cold and snowy winter, along with many freeze-thaw cycles, has created multiple challenges we are tackling all at once. City crews and contractors are working round the clock across the city, removing snow, filling potholes, ice blading roadways, clearing catch basins, and steaming culverts. Spring usually means a transition from one of these tasks to another, but this spring we're facing all four of them at once. The city has about 8,700 catch basins and 2,500 kilometers of drainage ditches. Crews are out daily opening blocked and frozen catch basins. Residents can help by clearing snow, ice, and debris from neighborhood catch basins to provide a path for melting ice and snow to enter the storm drainage system. The city never uses salt on most residential roads. They are kept snow-packed and sanded. We have been using graders on residential streets to help to clear significant ice buildup in rutting. It can sometimes take many passes to get down to pavement, but we believe any effort to protect our drinking water is worth it. There is no way to prevent it, but as the snow melts, water enters the cracks, expanding and contracting to create potholes. Through winter and early spring, potholes are temporarily repaired using cold mix asphalt. Permanent pothole patching season typically runs from May to the end of October when hot mix asphalt is available. We will continue to do everything we can to combat our winter challenges as they lead us into spring.